TikTok is now available on Google TV, Android TV devices in the US and Canada. Oh, TikTok on your TV. Does TikTok really work on a TV?
Yeah, it's just an app, and then you control it.
I understand what you're saying.
Right? Yeah.
I mean, I know it works, obviously. I think what I'm trying to say...
You press the remote there, the button, and...
you click play, and you go. No, I mean, I know it works. I think it's just like not the optimal experience. You have this giant landscape orientation, and then like you're not using more than half of it.
Yeah.
Look how much of it is blurred out. It's kind of weird.
And I guess there's the blurred background which plays the video as well. It's just zoomed in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's as far as the content's concerned, it's really squished in there. I remember there was that TV, I think it was also Samsung that put it out, that actually spun vertical for this type of content. I don't think that thing ever took off, but I don't know. Can vertical content become big enough where this is the way you choose to consume it because large format displays actually go portrait? I mean, it's going to continue to feel a little bit off for me. The TikTok TV app is built for TV home viewing, making it easy to watch content from our For You and following feeds on the big screen, including the most liked and viewed videos across a huge range of categories, for gaming and comedy to food and animals. To get started, people log into the TikTok TV app with their existing account, and then there's a Discover page which lets you find more of your favorite content creators and categories on TikTok. So you're going to scroll through categories on the bottom, and then I presume it's going to autoplay from that category until you switch to another. This includes For You, following, comedy, learning, sports, travel, animals, and more. That's just the ones that they've highlighted. I don't know. I mean, I can't not look at all that wasted real estate.
Yes.
It really, and then also part of the addictive part.
They should add 2 more on each side.
3 at a time.
Or 1, yeah.
3 at a time. A little TikTok torture.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were trying to work on an idea around something like that once upon a time.
Yeah.
I think another big addictive part of the TikTok or short form or vertical video experience is the actual interaction and scrolling, as opposed to just having it on in the background. If I'm going to go through the effort to put something on the TV, typically I'm not looking for that quick satisfaction, but instead to have something on for a little bit longer. At least that's me, but that just might be the traditional way. In the future, maybe everyone has giant vertical screens and AR headsets streaming unlimited multiple TikToks into their brain through their eyes. Launching in the US and Canada, Google TV, Android TV. You guys tell me what you think.